So we were going to go to Doncaster, but it kind of backfired. So our second best option was to come back here. Rumor has it that 149 has BCOL 4642,
in which we did not see.
So I do hope we'll see something. So we'll see what happens.
It was not long of a wait until a flying Z185 came through. At first it really was going, but once it hit Woodbine, it started slowing down. Today 185 simply had 3815 and 2691 in the lead, and it had 169 cars.
Westbound, North Track, 3815. Intermodal. It's going pretty quick. Okay, I don't know what is going on, but it sounds like this train is stopping. And it's strange because it seemed like it was going over 70 kilometers an hour at first. Unless I have no idea what's going on. Apparently there's something going on the North Toronto sub, which is CP. This is kind of bizarre.
Okay, thank you. And for some reason it didn't sort this one first, which would have been way better, but this is the next
I'll be keeping an eye on this. Maybe there's going to be a train meet.
What I heard sounded like a fire on the Belleville Sub, near mile 200, which is northwest Scarborough. A few minutes later, the
CP detector
at
mile 200.4
went off, and apparently there were
no alarm.
but the fire might have been in the area. Anyway, on to the next train, which was train M305, long-haul manifest between Moncton, New Brunswick and Toronto. Today, M305 was led by two ES44 AC Gevos, 2943 and 2928. 33 cars down this train was a high-end, wide flatbed. These things are most likely used for heavy-duty purposes because it has 16 axles and 8 trucks, 4 at each end. And today it had 124 cars.
Okay, a train just came out of nowhere. Is it 271? No, it's not. This is probably 305.
570, side tire open. You guys are going to be ready. All that over.
And it's using this track. That might have been 305. I'm gonna confirm in a minute.
The next train was M369, another long-haul manifest. This one going between Montreal and Toronto. Today it was led by 3842 and 3258. At first we thought it was E271, but it was not the case. And today 369 had, I don't know, let's just say 121 cars.
my God! Oh my goodness grief!
That was a priceless reaction, Tyler. Good job.
I see it. Westbound.
Yep. Other route.
271.
Concord is blocked normal.
Oh wait, no, this isn't 271. I don't know which train that is. I'm gonna see if I can confirm that.
So after that train passed, we all had a break. I got to ride the elevator at 550 Alden Road, which is the building George's Trains is in. GTA Rail fan showed up, but then Tyler, Canadian Trackside fan, and Train Boy 647 had to hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. Okay, I'm not doing that. Anyway, the last train I saw was 306. Again? Yes, again. No, not like last time. Last time was pretty epic. But this time it was led by 2716, and in the middle was 8944. Today's M306 had 133 cars.
Okay, another unexpected train.
It's an eastbound this time. Yeah,
Let's see.
I hear a Chivo.
Yep, eastbound. Manifest. Is this a... Okay, we'll find out. Oh, no way.
B2716 east.
Oh, never mind.
Mile 15, south track, no restrictions.
Right? Okay. First eastbound of the day.
Please feel free to subscribe to the following. Oh, and myself. Goodbye, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.